Good morning, Sector Respect boys and girls. Here is another video for your science subject with the same chapter, chapter number 18, chemical changes. In this video, you will learn about the processes which can cause chemical changes in a chemical reaction. Okay, what are the processes that can cause chemical changes? Number one, heating. Number two, exposure to light. Number three, passing of an electric current. Number four, mixing of substances. Okay, we will see one by one in detail with examples. To start with, heating. Chemical reactions can occur when heat and matter interact. You should be knowing the meaning of the word matter. Okay, if you want, you can take notes here in your science notebook. Okay, I have made in a simple way. Even you can study from the textbook, but these points will help you remember easily for your test or for your exams, right? And you can quickly recall. Okay, let's move on. Combustion. Have you heard this word combustion? It's just the meaning, the scientific meaning of the word burning. The another word for burning, the scientific word for burning is combustion. Okay, so do remember this word with a correct spelling, huh? So in combustion, a substance combines with oxygen upon heating to form a new substance. So I repeat, combustion is the scientific word for burning, right? Let's see the example. Carbon from charcoal. Okay, when we burn carbon, that combines with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide. If you see the chemical equation, the symbol for carbon is C and for oxygen O2. When these two combines, they give out carbon dioxide. Okay, combustion is a burning process. Okay, it's very simple. Now combustion reactions are type of oxidation reaction. Combustion reactions are a type of oxidation reaction. What do you mean by the word oxidation? Oxidation means addition of oxygen. Okay, oxidation means addition of oxygens. You should remember these terms here because you are studying the chemistry chapter. So these terms, sometimes there are questions in the topical test or exams wherein you will be asked to write the definition for the terms. Okay, so oxidation means addition of oxygen to a substance. Another type of reaction that involves oxidation is respiration in living cells. Okay, we do respire, right? We take in oxygen, we give out carbon dioxide. So what exactly happens in respiration process? Glucose plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide, water, and energy. These are all basic things that you have learned in primary level. If you see your textbook page number 176, you can read this diagram wherein it has clearly explained cellular respiration involves interaction between glucose and oxygen. Okay, so you can see this picture wherein glucose goes into the cell and water and carbon dioxide comes out along with energy. Okay, you can refer this diagram here when you study the page number 176. So, what is cellular respiration? Cellular respiration is the process in which living cells of plants and animals take in oxygen to release the energy stored in glucose. Okay. Another type of reaction that involves oxidation is rusting of iron. Okay. Rusting of iron is also an oxidation reaction. Rusting of iron is also an oxidation reaction. What happens there? Iron combines with oxygen to form iron oxide. Okay, so it's a very slow reaction here. So you would have seen iron substances, iron metals getting rusted, right? So the chemical name for rust is iron oxide, and the process is rusting. Okay, iron, what happens there? Iron reacts with oxygen to form iron oxide. So iron oxide is rust. So as a science student, you know the term for burning, its combustion. The rust, for the rust, the chemical name for rust is iron oxide. Okay, let's move on. In thermal decomposition, there is another type of reaction that involves addition of oxygen. Okay, so that reaction is in thermal decomposition. Okay, what happens in thermal decomposition? In thermal decomposition, a substance breaks down into two or more substances. Okay, decomposition means breaking up. Okay, breaking down. So thermal, the word thermal means heat. Therm means heat. So because of the heat, the substance gets broken down. Okay, so in thermal decomposition, a substance breaks down into two or more substances. Another type of reaction that may occur when heat interacts with matter is combination. Okay, so combination is another type of reaction where heat interacts with matters. Okay, so what happens in combination reaction? In combination, two or more substances are heated together to form a new substance. Okay, I can show this reaction in the chemical laboratory when we are in the science lab. Okay, when we meet, right? So what happens is sulfur, when sulfur is heated with iron powder, you get iron sulfide. Okay, so sulfur is an atom, iron is an atom. When we heat these two elements, we get a compound, iron sulfide. So I quickly recall what we learned in this video. Processes which can cause chemical changes. Number one, heating, exposure to light. Number two, number three, passing of an electric current. Number four, mixing of substances. Now in detail, we started learning about heating, right? Then the different types of oxidation reactions, okay, that involves combination of, addition of oxygen with different substances, right? Please take notes if you want. I will still explain the another processes, exposure to light, passing of an electric current, and mixing of substances in another video, in my next video. Okay,